A warm welcome to all my dear friends. And if some of you are joining in for the first time and you are new to my channel, if you are looking for homely recipes, then you have come to the right place, because most of my recipes are simple, easy to make with less oil and minimal spices, which you can cook every day and enjoy. But sometimes I do post restaurant like fancy recipes also. So stay connected and enjoy them. So back to today's recipe, we are going to make Aloo ki sabzi with Sarson Ka Saag. Potatoes cooked with mustard greens. Now if mustard greens are not in season, you can grow them in a pot on your windowsill also, or if you have a garden. I've done that and they're nice and tender. We need a small bunch, so you can easily grow them in the pot and make this sabzi. So let's proceed to make Aloo ki sabzi with Sarson Ka Saag. You can serve it with puris, rotis. It makes a perfect side dish. Aloo with Sarson Ka Saag. Potatoes cooked with mustard greens. These are the ingredients. I've taken a small bunch of mustard greens or Sarson Ka Saag. These are grown in my kitchen garden on the windowsill in a pot. Very tender and nice. Potatoes 2, mustard oil as required, some coriander leaves, basic spices and salt, 2 green chillies and garlic cloves. You can also check the list in the description box. Now heat mustard oil in a pan. Bring it to a smoking point and reduce the flame. Add the garlic first. Chop it up finely, or you could also add crushed garlic if you wish. Fry it until it's golden brown in color. Now you can add the potato cubes. Maintain low flame throughout. This dish is cooked without any water, so we are cooking it on a low flame. Cover the lid and let them simmer. After about a minute, you can open. Add the green chilies, as many as you want. I have added only 2. Little bit of salt to taste. Cumin powder ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Little turmeric powder. We'll be adding little bit of spices, coriander and cumin powder again towards the end. Stir with a spatula. Now the spices are all mixed well into the potatoes. At this stage we can add the mustard greens. Wash them well and chop them up. For variation, you can also cook these potatoes with different greens like amaranth, spinach or batua, whatever's available, any seasonal greens. Now cover and simmer. Remember, let the flame be low all the time. After some time, open the lid and give it a stir. The potatoes should be nearly done. Just insert a knife to check the doneness. Yeah, almost done. Now at this stage, I'm adding little bit of cumin and coriander powders again, ¼ teaspoon of each again, and some coriander leaves, as much as you want. They're so nice and flavorful. Taste for the salt and adjust if required. Little more salt is needed, so I'll add it. Now again, give it a nice mix, a final mix, and cover the lid. Delicious. Cover and simmer it a bit. Finally, garnish with green chillies so that the spicy food lovers can have the green chilli. Potato stir fry with mustard greens is ready. Serve this sabzi with rotis, and so delicious. Friends, do give it a try with mustard greens or any other greens of your choice. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. Stay tuned. See you soon. Take care and bye-bye.